Hello everyone. God bless you. Welcome back to my channel E-Club. It's great connecting with you and I hope we can stay connected throughout the week through my social media channels. It's a pleasure to have you join us today for the third episode of our vocabulary challenge. Your enthusiasm for the previous episodes has been overwhelming. And I'm thrilled to bring you even more words to enrich your daily conversations. Are you ready to elevate your vocabulary once again? Let's start right away. Starting with fast. A word we use to describe speed. Let's switch it up with swift. For instance, the cheetah is not just fast. It's incredibly swift. It adds a touch of elegance to the description. Next, we have hard. It's often used to describe difficulty. A more sophisticated option would be arduous. Completing the marathon was not just hard, it was an arduous journey. Quiet is a common adjective, but tranquil elevates the expression. The morning in the countryside wasn't just quiet, it was perfectly tranquil. Moving on to friend. While it's a word dear to us all, companion can sometimes capture the relationship with more depth. During my travels, I didn't just make a friend, I found a true companion. Laugh is a beautiful action, but chortle adds a layer of warmth and amusement. His joke made me do more than laugh. I couldn't help but chortle. Walk is a simple form of movement. Try using stroll for a leisurely or aimless walk. In the evening, I don't just walk, I enjoy a peaceful stroll through the park. Instead of think, consider, contemplate, it suggests a deeper level of thought. I didn't just think about his advice, I took the time to contemplate it. Lastly, look. A more descriptive alternative is gaze. It implies looking intently or with emotion. She didn't just look at the painting, she gazed it completely mesmerized. Now, I challenge you to incorporate these sophisticated words into your lexicon. Try using them in your conversations, writings, or even social media posts this week. Share your experiences and any new words you have encountered in the comments below. Let's continue to grow our vocabularies together. Expanding our vocabulary not only enhances our communication, but also our understanding of the world and its myriad expressions. Thank you for joining me on this lexical adventure on E-Club. If you are passionate about words and language, don't forget to subscribe for more enriching content. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support enables us to continue this wonderful journey through language together. Follow us on our social media channels for more tips, challenges, and discussions. Until next time, keep exploring the power of words.